Mm.
Now we are going to learn about the text tag. Okay, this tag is set the color of the entire text. In the previous video, we learned about how to change the background color. Then we learned busy color to change the background color, and here we are going to learn about the text color. Text. It sets the background color of the text in the document. By default, the text color is black. If you want to change the color, then we use text. Now we are going to taking an example of it. Here, this is example. Firstly, we start the HTML code. First we write the HTML, then we write the heading tag, and then put the title inside the title tag. And here close the heading tag. In the body section, we define busy color. It set the background color of the our web page, and the text is white. And our message is Radiant Skill Educations. The text is present in the web page in white color, and its background show in black color. We take black and white because black and white color combination is the best combination. And here we close the body tag and close the HTML.